is Amanda Sweeney with the Christian County Health Department, and we wanted to do a quick CCHD chats with you guys. It's been a little while since we've talked to you guys and given you an update via chats on COVID-19. So as of today, we've had 7 cases in Christian County. So we're encouraging individuals out there more than ever to continue practicing that social distancing, frequent hand washing with warm soap and water, and then if you do develop symptoms such as a dry cough, fever, or shortness of breath, visit your primary care provider. And I'm going to provide at the end of this video all the information you need if you have general questions about COVID-19, if you have any concerns or questions about what's going on in the community, about people adhering to the governor's orders. We're going to have all of that information for you. I know we've had several questions about that as well. But on a positive note, our first case of COVID-19 in Christian County is now out of self-isolation. That individual, I can't remember the exact date. This individual was tested positive, but they went through the 14-day self-isolation period, and this individual is exhibiting no symptoms, no longer contagious, but this individual is still continuing to practice that social distancing as everyone else should be. Frequent hand washing, disinfecting of surfaces, all of the above, all the things that we should be doing out in the community. But we do have our first case that is out of self-isolation, so that's on a positive note in Christian County. We've had a lot of questions about Fort Campbell numbers, how we're counting those. Individuals in Fort Campbell, they're sitting right on that Tennessee-Kentucky line. So if you're in Fort Campbell and you get tested, if there's a positive result, but they have a Tennessee address, those numbers are going to go to the Tennessee government or the Tennessee Public Health. If they live in Kentucky, then those numbers would come to, if they're in Christian County, they would come to Christian County. If they live in another county, it would go to another county. So Fort Campbell is being included, but we're not getting all of the numbers. It just depends on which county they live in. We also ask that if you have been tested, we have some individuals who might have exhibited some symptoms. They got tested. A few days later, they didn't have symptoms anymore, and we don't have the test results back yet. They want to go back to work, or they want to go back into society. We're still requesting that you practice that self-quarantine just to make sure, until you get your test results back, that you are negative. Again, just to prevent spreading of germs if you do happen to be asymptomatic but do have the virus. So it's very important that you stay indoors until you get cleared or stay away from others in that self-quarantine. We also want to remind out there, everyone, that there are great resources for unemployment. I know a lot of people right now are out of work because of COVID-19. We're going to be posting those. All of that information is going to be on the city's website. It's going to be on the Christian County Health Department's website. It's going to be on our Facebook page. I encourage you, anytime you see all of that, share that with the community, because there's a lot of great resources out there where people are stepping up to help each other out during these hard times. Also, as a reminder, the governor gave his orders about businesses that need to be open and closed. Hair salons and nail services, nail shops, those are not essential services. So I know we've had to talk to some of the shops in the area, or have seen shops around that might still be operating, so those are not considered essential services, and the governor has asked those to close down. If you are still having church, the governor has also asked that maybe you do online services and do alternate methods for services, just simply because we're not wanting to spread COVID-19. Again, all of this information is going to be on our Facebook page, on our website, on the city's website, on their Facebook page. It's out there. Make sure you're getting your information from credible resources, and we'll stay tuned with you guys to keep you guys in the know on what's going on.